in the Aaron Hernandez murder trial are set to begin tomorrow. The defense using this final day of testimony to go after two key parts of the prosecution's case. News Center 5's Leah Martin is live in Fall River for us. Liam, it got testy at times today.
Oh, absolutely, it did, Phil. The state had argued that the first witness should not even be allowed to testify. The judge sided with the defense, and that opened the door to their theory that angel dust was at the center of this murder. 3 witnesses for the defense, and then they rested their case.
I think it can cause violent behavior.
They started with Dr. David Greenblatt, who testified PCP can lead to schizophrenic and violent behavior.
PCP ingestion can cause psychosis.
The defense's theory, Carlos Ortiz or Ernest Wallace killed Odin Lloyd while high on angel dust.
None of these awards that you've ever received have anything to do with PCP, is that correct?
That's correct.
The state aggressive in their cross-examination of Greenblatt, pointing out he's paid by the defense and can't remember ever treating a patient on PCP.
But I have not specifically done research on PCP.
The prosecution also showed this video of Ortiz and Wallace before and after the murder. No obvious signs of schizophrenia.
Would you ever turn your back on somebody if they had just engaged in some PCP-induced psychosis, violence?
Objection, Your Honor.
The other defense witnesses revolved around DNA. Hernandez contending his DNA found on one of the shell casings was not there originally, but transferred from this piece of blue bubble gum that was stuck to it.
It is extremely likely that some of the saliva within that gum could transfer to that casing. And
Jennifer Smith, the DNA examiner, confirmed the blue gum did test positive for Hernandez's DNA. And of course, the problem for the defense is that Hernandez's DNA on that gum still places him inside the car. They'd prefer that, of course, to his DNA on the shell casing. Tomorrow, we're going to have closing arguments, and then the jury gets the case. Live in Fall River, I'm Lee Martin, WCVB News Center 5.